Nosema may not exhibit overt visual cues, but its presence can manifest through fecal matter on hive surfaces, a telltale sign known as dysentery. Additionally, infected bees might display swollen, greasy-looking abdomens, unusual wing postures, and tremors. Weak colonies and unanticipated deaths also raise suspicions of Nosema infestation. In this video, we'll explore how to complete a Nosema field test. Collect around 100 older bees per hive during spring and fall, mainly from honey frames. Place the bees in a sealed jar filled about 2/3 with rubbing alcohol. Once you are out of the field, drain the alcohol. Transfer the dried bees to a ziplock bag and seal it. Add 100 milliliters of water to the ziplock bag, approximately 1 milliliter per bee. Carefully crush the bees. A rolling pin may be used for a household tool. Using a pipette, transfer 2 to 3 drops of the liquid from the bag to a Neubauer hemocytometer. Allow it to settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the hemocytometer under a microscope and examine at 400 times magnification. Calculate the spore count per bee by multiplying the total counted spores in the 5 squares by 25,000. For more comprehensive guidance, consider consulting your provincial apiculturalist. For the most accurate assessment, sending a sample to a diagnostic center is recommended.